Want to transfer USDT from Bitget to Binance without a headache? Follow these simple steps. First, log into your Binance account and head over to the Wallet section. Click Deposit, choose Crypto, and then select USDT. Pick your desired network like TRC20 or ERC20. Binance will generate a unique deposit address. Copy that address. Next, go to your Bitget account. Navigate to Wallet or Assets and click Withdraw. Select USDT and paste the Binance deposit address into the withdrawal field. Make sure to choose the same network as on Binance. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer and double-check all the details. Confirm the withdrawal. Bitget might ask for verification codes. Complete those steps to initiate the transaction. You can track its progress on Bitget. Finally, wait a few minutes to a few hours for the USDT to appear in your Binance wallet, depending on the network. And there you have it. Your USDT is now safely in your Binance account.